guys, it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do today a painting with colors I never use. I'm using brown and I wanted to do a kind of like a rose gold color that I made. So I don't know, brown always scares me. I'm using Amsterdam's Van Dyke brown. It doesn't really come across as that dark Van Dyke brown. It comes across a little chocolatey, so I'm hoping it dries darker, but let's just see what happens. Okay, I have been dying to do a more neutral color base. I feel like I never do neutral colors, and I definitely almost never work in browns. So that is what I wanted to try out. So I made a rose gold color out of pearl white and regular gold, which I really like. And then I took some Van Dyke brown and I mixed it with a little bit of a charcoal color. Ooh, I've got a couple lumps in there. Just spread those out. Okay, let me blow this out. Okay, the hard part is over at this point, because trying to do these half and half or split color, or whatever you want to call them, these canvases, the getting the colors to meet is really the hardest part sometimes. So got that part out of the way. Now I'm just going to rub my finger along here, make sure I've got it all covered. I wanted to go soft palette, so I chose a very light opaque pink, a light opaque sky blue, and then I went with a dark magenta that's semi-transparent and a phthalo blue. No, sorry, this is Prussian blue, which is also transparent. So I went with two opaque, two transparent, but now I have to think of how I actually want to do this. I think I want most of the blow to come off this side here and follow up this way here. So I don't know, it never turns out the way that I say it's going to. I'm gonna start with, I think I'm gonna start with blue across the whole thing. And then I'm really gonna think about the colors that I want to show up. So I think I'm gonna layer them a little bit differently here. I think I'm gonna layer that there, but the dark magenta next to the dark blue here. Then I'll come in with the light there, and then the dark magenta here, and then the light pink on the top here. So I don't know. Maybe a little bit more blue up there. I think I want more pink into the brown side and more blue into this side up here. So I'm gonna come pink into the brown down here. Give this a little torch. So I have no white in this, but I know from experience that the opaque colors react a lot like the white do. So I think I'm just going to blow them out. I'm not really going to, I'm just gonna spread a little bit more paint there. I don't even really have that much to spread here, but yeah. Okay, all right, so I said I wanna go up this way and up that way. Okay, I'll start up this way because this one's gonna be harder for me. My pink got a little bit lost in both sides over here. So I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit more pink there. Maybe a little bit of pink right there. I definitely love the rose gold side up there. But this side just needed, I don't have that much paint left. Both of these sides needed just a little bit more. I have a little bit of blue here, so maybe I'll just come through with a little bit of blue. Okay. The rest of this I think I'll do with my mouth. And I want to get this off. I didn't even go up into that color. There we go. That is more of what I wanted. Yes. There we go. Now, I'm gonna torch this out. Maybe have a couple little curly cues. Over in here, almost like little waves. Have some right here. Oh yes, I'm loving this. That was a little too bold. So you can always fix it, just draw it back in. You could scrape this whole little part right there and then just dab your finger to get those colors back together. All kinds of things you can do. This is, you make this your own. You could go in and fiddle for a while and change up all kinds of colors if you wanted to. I really, really like this. Okay, let me show you. So I'm gonna show it to you this way for now, and then I'll show it to you right side up when it's dry. But that is really cool. I love it. Show you the dried result. Here it is, it's dry. Really, really pretty. Love the color combination. Just very, very pretty to me. Let me see if I can get the, so it's hitting, yeah, so that's all metallic on the top there. Gorgeous. But there you go. There's a little win for you. Happy painting. Bye.